Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase. In order to do this, first of all, open up your web browser and then in the search bar, you have to type in the link that is the www.amazon.com/signin. After you type in the link, you will be taken to its of your site. You have to make sure that you are logged in. Once you're logged into the account, in the top right of the corner, you can see your profile icon or your username, and in the upper right corner of your screen, there is an option as a return and order. After clicking on it, you will see this type of interface and all of the products that you have ordered as well as returned. So once you are on this page, you need to click on your account or account which is right in between. So under account, you will be able to see multiple options. You have to tap on this option digital services and device support. Click on it. Then you will be redirected to this page, and on this page you need to slightly scroll down, and in the right hand side you will be able to see an option software and games. Click on it. After that, you will be taken to the detail regarding digital software and video games. Once you are on this page, you need to look for the TurboTax 2019, then download the software. After that, you need to copy paste the license number, that is a folding character string of letters or numbers on your ID. And that's pretty much it. That's how to download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.